Once the product is inverted either in Amazon Flex, Flipkart Smart or Buy More bin, we need to still complete the invert file. As you remember, every warehouse has an invert sheet. Let me go back to it. The first half was filled by the brand coordinators. The second half was to be filled by warehouse, which was again divided into two halves. The first half is already filled by you. The second half has to be filled once the products are completely inverted. The primary columns are invert quantity, which tells us whether the complete quantity has been inverted or not. If you're not able to invert any quantity because of shipment errors or unable to generate labels, kindly mention here. Also mention who was responsible for labeling and inverting. What was the date of invert? Invoice cycle ID. This is a sequential ID given for the reference of the finance team so that they can enter it rightly in tally. Any excess or short stock that you felt you have received, in the sense initially when the product was received you would have received some quantity, but after inverting there is an excess or a shortage of stock that has been come to your notice. If you mention it here, we would be able to investigate better. Please mark whether the invoice checklist was sent to finance along with the invoice, and who has forwarded the invoice, please mention, so that in case of any doubt, finance can reach back to them. Once this is complete, the invert of any particular shipment can be considered as complete. Thank you.